Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share the information regarding the latest Mindtree off-campus hiring. So just recently, like in the previous months, they had conducted two big off-campus hiring. So this is another phase of their hiring. Okay, but this time, so they have mentioned the role as software engineer and band C1 they have mentioned, and the salary is 4 lakh per annum. The previous hirings, okay, the salary was different. Now it is like 4 lakh per annum. And so the important dates, they have just mentioned the last date for applying. Okay, so that is 11th of November, 4 p.m. is the last date to apply. The test dates and the interview dates have not been given, but so as they are like continuously hiring, so this can happen like anytime soon. So those of you are eligible and willing, you can apply this as early as possible. Okay, and so coming to the eligibility criteria, first the education. So the streams, so usually they hire like for this role they hire only like CSC, IT and the circuital branches only. Okay, so IT means like information science and computer science, and as far as the circuit streams are concerned, so they usually hire electronics and communication, electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication, and telecommunication engineering. So these are according to Mindtree, like these are the circuital branches. Okay, and so coming to the percentage criteria, though if you look at the form, they have mentioned like graduation minimum 60%, but if you look at the particular like profile, like wherein they have mentioned all the salary and other details. Okay, if you look at the profile page where they have given the basic information, so there it is mentioned 10th and 12th also minimum 60% or 60 GPA is required. Okay, right. So but if you look at the application form filling page, they have mentioned only graduation, but if you look at the actual like profile page wherein they have given the complete details, they have mentioned 10th and 12th also like minimum 60% or 60 GPA, and there should not be any active arrears. Okay, and as far as the break in education is concerned, there should not be any educational gap up to 12th standard, and should have completed the graduation. There is the only engineers are recruited here, so they should have completed the engineering degree in the stipulated 4 years. And year of passing, 2 batches, 2021 and 2022. So 2 batches. See, if you see currently there are many hirings that are simultaneously happening. Okay, so if you look at any of our placement related videos, right, so in the pinned comment as well as in the description, also in our Telegram channel, we regularly update. For example, if you look at the 2021 batch, so right now as far as the engineering hiring is concerned, so you have the Accenture hiring, you have the TCS hiring, and you also have the Infosys hiring. So all this current hiring. Okay, so at any point of time, any video that you are watching, okay, so the current hiring that is presently active will always be updated in our pinned comment in each of these placement related videos, so you can make use of that. Okay, so as far as this hiring is concerned, it is 2021 batch and 2022. And coming to the selection process, so they have just mentioned that, okay, as far as the written test is concerned, you will have the aptitude test and the coding test. Okay, so that is what they have mentioned. Okay, if you see usually, right, the previous like off-campus hirings by if you look at the previous off-campus hirings by Mindtree, so usually in the aptitude test they'll have logical, quantitative and English, and the exam is usually conducted by the vendor Aspiring Minds. Okay, and in our channel we have videos related to Aspiring Minds which you can make use of it. Okay, and so and also they have a business communication proficiency check usually. Okay, so though they have not mentioned. Okay, so I'm not sure. So for this hiring they are going to have this business communication proficiency check. Okay, wherein they check your spoken and verbal ability. That I don't know if that is there or not for this. Okay, but usually in the aptitude test they have logical, quantitative and English, so all the regular content. Okay, and then the coding test is also there. As far as this hiring is concerned, you have the coding test. Then those who clear the written test will be later called for a a technical interview, and a HR interview. So this is the process. Okay, so they have given the outline of the process like this. So you have the aptitude test, coding test, and then the technical discussion and the HR discussion. So this is the outline of the selection process. Now they have mentioned, like the required characteristics for the candidates. Okay, so the candidates are expected to be curious. Okay, so that is excited about learning and should be a self-learner, should have courage, that is has problem solving orientation to find solution, and takes up responsibility, the ability to take ownership and be bankable. Okay, and so they have given in like an outline for like a pre-joining program and a learning program and a post-joining program. So pre-joining program, as you can understand, it is before joining. Okay, so wherein once you get selected, okay, you get access to curated once the offer is released. Okay, so you have the access to curated technical courses on Yorbit Mindtree's learning program. You have like access to MS Teams collaboration platform wherein you practice problems and all that, and code walk through through by the leads, a lead intervention to answer technical queries, and regular technical SME webinars and leadership connects. So this is like the pre-joining learning program. It will all be in the virtual mode. Okay, so this is before joining. Now once you join, okay, so you have the learning program, okay, which is like a 90-day plan. Now as of now, this is also like imported online. Now during this learning program, this 3 months, okay, see, usually as far as even for this hiring, okay, there is no service agreement. Okay, there is no service agreement, but during the training program, okay, the pay will be like 26,000 per month. Okay, the total package is like 4 lakhs, but that is after this training. Okay, after the learning program is over, then the salary is like 4 lakhs per annum. But for the initial in this training duration of 3 months, that the salary, it will be like given as a stipend, okay, of 26,000. Okay, and so it is a mixed classroom and self-learning approach. Tracks allocated based on business demand, and leads assigned from business as technical anchors. Okay, so this is the learning program, a 30-day, I'm sorry, a 3-month learning program by Mindtree. Now after that, you have the as you work. Okay, so you have this post-joining learning program wherein you get access to a lot of like technical and self-development courses. Okay, they also mentioned the location. So location they have given as like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, Kolkata, and Noida. So you may be asked to join in any of these locations. And how to apply, link to apply is given in the description below. It is a very simple form. Okay, just a few details you have to fill. Okay, click on that link, and then like you have to fill in your name, date of birth, email, okay, mobile number, and your university registration number. They have not asked anything beyond this. Probably they may ask something like later. Okay, but usually if you look at the previous hirings and all, they used to collect much more information regarding which year passed out. Okay, whether you have completed like engineering, means like which stream, what is the CGPA, all those details they used to collect. But in the present form, they have given only like 5 or 6 details. Okay, so you enter it, and if you have any queries, please do post your questions in the comment section below. We'll be very happy to answer your questions. And if you found this information useful, please click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.